YouTube, what's up? Danny James here, and in this tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you these blur transition presets that you can use for your music videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. The presets are available for download from my website for free if you want to check it out. Let's jump into it.
Burn trap, number uno na trap for a reason, man. Burn kill every season. Game to the win, jo kabla kick off. Fuku mabuda tupendi wa ito.
Alright, first off, you want to visit my website at dannyjames.co. Find the blur transition presets right here. You can pay whatever you want. Just add it to bag and then you should get your download link almost immediately. And then once you get to Premiere, go to your effects tab and then right on the presets, right click and import presets. Find the blur transition presets and then you can import them and they should be right there. Okay, once you've imported the presets, you can just click right here to expand the selection. And here are the 6 blur transition presets. So you can just drag any of them to your clips and see what it happens to your clip. So right on these 2 clips, I can put the blur slide in on the clip that starts next. And you should see it slides right into the frame from the right side. So you can put a slide out on the clip that comes before that, such that it's almost seamless. Okay, we can try the RGB exposure blur in on this clip since it has some good color channels. Put the blur in here and it joins in like that. And you can also put the RGB exposure blur out on the clip that precedes it so that it's a bit more seamless. And you don't really have to adhere to the pairs. You can just use any other one. So let me just put the blur slide out on the clip that precedes that. And it comes in very smoothly. So I'll show you my favorite from this one. It's the smooth slide out. Just put it on your clip and you should see what it does. It swings the clip within that axis and then throws it away. So that way you can bring the smooth slide in on the next clip, like this one right here. So it joins like that. But this clip is too short. Let me delete it. Put this clip right here. So we have the smooth slide out on this clip. Put the smooth slide in on the next clip and it should go like this. Yeah, that's really smooth. So you can play around with these presets, use on your different video clips and see the different outcomes that you get. I will go for the RGB exposure blur out, let's say on this clip, and then I can put a smooth slide in on the next clip. Yeah, and it still looks as amazing. Before you finish this, remember you can also use adjustment layers on these ones. Drag an adjustment layer on this clip. Okay, go to the effects. I can put the RGB exposure blur out and it should work really well. I can undo that effect and drag the smooth slide out and it should do the same work like that. So you can use adjustment layers if you want, and generally make sure to have fun with it and make the most out of it. That's it from me today. I hope you do enjoy these presets and put them into full use. This is me showing my gratitude for the 5K subscribers that we've built so far along this journey, and hopefully that's a sign for bigger things to come in the future. Give this video a like if you did genuinely enjoy it, and subscribe so that you never miss out on my content. Again, these presets are just a fraction of what you get from my paid products on my website. So if you do enjoy any of them and you are in a position to purchase any of my products, just go ahead and hopefully you do gain a ton of value from it. My name is Danny James. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.